Are you looking to buy some Bitcoin but not sure exactly how to do it? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can buy Bitcoin. First is with Kraken. It's my favorite exchange. So they have super low fees and great customer service. I've had a really good experience with them. Top-notch security. I really like that exchange. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on CashApp. And that's great for if you want a super simple mobile solution. It doesn't get any easier than CashApp. So I'm going to show you both of those. So let's get right into it. So what you're going to want to do is go to kraken.com. That's Kraken.com. And if you don't have an account, up in the upper right here, it says create account. And you're going to have to give them some personal information, your email address, a username, password, all this information, plus a bunch of KYC information like your address and a couple other things. So once you complete that KYC process, you'll have an account. So I'm going to log into my account real quick. And I have two-factor authentication set up. That is a must-have. If you guys don't have that set up, please do it, because it can save your butt. In fact, a buddy of mine, he got his exchange account hacked because a hacker got a hold of a SIM card and used it to log into his email address and got his passwords, logged into his exchange. And luckily for him, there wasn't any money and there wasn't any crypto on it, but it could have been really bad. So first thing you're going to want to do is, once you have your account set up and you get this screen, you're going to want to go up in the upper right to your name, go to security, 2FA settings. That's your two-factor authentication settings. You can do the app, which you just download on your phone, and it provides a 6-digit number that rotates and changes constantly. And when you sign in, you'll just enter in that code. It's specific to your phone on the app. So even if someone did get a hold of your SIM card and got into your email or anything, they wouldn't be able to access your Kraken account. So that's amazing. So I highly recommend setting that up. It's pretty easy. You can also set it up for funding. So if you want to withdraw funds, you have to put in that two-factor authentication code. I have that on. Definitely, you don't want anybody withdrawing any money, even if they somehow got logged in without that code. You could do it for trading. I don't want to do it after every trade, so I have that turned off. There's a master key, which acts as an account recovery key if you lose or forget your sign-in. That's another two-factor authentication you can have. I turn that one on. And finally here, you can use it for API keys. I don't use Kraken API right now, so that is turned off. But just for the basics, for sign-in, that's what you're going to need. I would probably turn on funding as well. So once you have that secure, you should see your current security level if you click that shield. Mine is high, so that's good. Make sure yours is not empty, that's for sure. Make sure it's as high as you want it to be. Now, the second thing you're going to want to do is then go to funding, and this is how you're going to fund your Kraken account. Before we talk about funding, let's talk about the KYC requirements to get funding in. So just by providing your personal information, you will not be able to transfer any fiat currencies into Kraken. You can transfer cryptocurrencies as much as you want, unlimited. However, withdrawals are limited to 5,000 a day. You can buy and sell as much as you want and trade with margin, so that's cool. Now, if you want the intermediate level, and that's to deposit fiat money or US dollars or whatever currency you use, you're going to need to get intermediate verification. And there will be a button here that says verify. You'll click that and you'll have to provide your ID. Actually, I can show you exactly what you're going to need to provide. You're going to need to provide a form of identification, either a passport, a driver's license, or an ID card. You'll need to do a face verification with a face photo, and proof of residence with either a utility bill, bank statement, credit card statement, or proof of residency certificate. that's if you want to deposit fiat. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I live in the US, so I would deposit US dollars. Now with Kraken, I would recommend doing a wire transfer from your bank. They do allow you to do ACH through a third party called Atana Custody. Now, the bad thing about this is that you'll have to complete another KYC process and open a joint account venture through them. So you're going to have to give all that same information that you just gave to Kraken to another third party, Atana Custody. And once you do that, then you'll be able to do ACH transfers. In my opinion, it's not worth having that extra information with another third party. I'd rather just do a wire transfer. And so basically you have two options, MVB or signature. It doesn't really matter. They're pretty much the same. MVB has a maximum limit of $1 million through the wire transfer. And Signature Bank, you can actually do $10 million. So depending on how wealthy you are and how much money you're wiring, if you're wiring $10 million, whoo, there you go. I wish. So MVB wire, here's all the information that you'll need to complete the wire transfer. You'll just give all this information to your bank and complete the wire transfer. And it's as simple as that. Once the wire transfer is complete, you'll get an email and you'll see your current balance, and then you'll be able to trade. Now, there's two ways to trade on Kraken. You can click trade up here, click buy Bitcoin. XBT, by the way, is Bitcoin on Kraken. And if you want to do the market rate, you'd have to click market. Now, the problem what I don't really like is that you can't enter in the US dollar amount that you want to spend. You just have to enter in the Bitcoin amount, like 0.02. Would be $370. So, I mean, if you're trying to get like a $500, you're going to have to play with it. I would highly recommend instead going up to this little black chart icon up here, clicking that, and that'll take you to the trading platform. We'll close that. And this is cool because it'll show you the charts. You can analyze it. These are daily candles, so every day is a candle. You can change that if you want a lower time frame, like 5 minutes. Now every candle is 5 minutes, and it kind of shows you the current price, all the orders here. And then to start trading, you're going to have to click this little connect button, and it'll basically just connect your account to the trading. So once you're here, you can just hit buy. And if you want to do a market order, which is, like I said, buying it at the market price, you'd hit that. If you want to add any leverage, I would recommend not doing that. Leave it at none. Stay humble. And then you put in your dollar amount. So if you wanted to put $100 in Bitcoin, there you go. It will get you 0.00539, or that's also 539,127 sats. And you would hit review and buy and click confirm buy. I don't have any money on here right now, but it's as simple as that. And once you hit buy, then when you go to your funding, you will see down here, crypto assets, XBT, Bitcoin will show up with your $100. And same here, if you wanted to look at your trades, you could go here to trades, and you'll see all of the trades that you've done. And you can plug it into a spreadsheet or however you want to track it. You can use that for your own personal information. So this is Kraken. And why I really like Kraken is because of their low fees. Like I said, they're some of the lowest in the industry, and I love saving money. If you guys love saving money, it's totally the way to go. Here's like an intro of their fees right here. It's based on how much you trade. So 0 to 50,000 within 30 days, 0.16% and 0.26%. So that's a fraction of a percent. So that's really nice, really nice. Yeah, so that's how you do it on Kraken, guys. It's probably the easiest way to do it on the PC. They also have a mobile app, which is super handy. It works. It's actually really simple to use. Some of the lowest fees. And by the way, Kraken also got a banking charter, and they're going to open one of the first crypto banks up in Wyoming. So that's going to be super exciting. I'm going to make a road trip all the way up to Wyoming to visit that bank when it opens. And we're going to see what it's all about, what services they offer. So stay tuned for that, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss out. So the second way to buy Bitcoin is to use CashApp. And CashApp is a mobile app that you can download from your app store. And it's just like Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, where you can send and receive money from other people. It's a really handy app. I like it a lot. So you're going to want to download CashApp from the App Store. Once you do that, you'll see this main screen here. And there's a little squiggly line to the right. And that's how you buy Bitcoin. Now, when you first click buy, it's going to, you're going to set your amount, and it's going to ask you to do some KYC verification. All the same stuff that you're going to have to do with any exchange. Some personal information, your name, email address, address, all that stuff. And take a picture of your face, your ID. Once that's approved, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin through CashApp. What's really cool about CashApp is you can set either one-time order. You could do a daily buy, a weekly buy, every 2 weeks. It's really nice. If you do a one-time order, you can go as little as $1. So that's super cool. You could buy $1 at a time. There you go. It would take 3 cents in fees. So I would get 97 cents worth of Bitcoin. So that's like a 3% fee. And it's awesome. But we're not going to buy $1, guys. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to buy $50 in Bitcoin. So we're going to hit next, and I'll show you just how simple the process is. You can confirm with your fingerprint there. Here's the confirmation. I'm buying $50. Actually, no, let's do 100. Screw that. We're stacking sats, guys. We're getting serious here. No time to play around. So here we go, confirming. And this will make it easy just to see what the fees are right now. The fees are kind of variable, so they're not the same all the time. But as you can see, here's the amount of Bitcoin I'm going to get for this $100. Exchange rate at $18,537. And basically, I'm going to get $97.73 worth of Bitcoin. They're taking $2.27. So it's a little over 2% on the fees. We're going to hit confirm. And you'll see just how fast it is, guys. Boom, there we go. We'll hit done. And there it is, guys. There's my Bitcoin. Now, it's kind of cool. You can definitely check the price of Bitcoin by tapping your finger on the screen and scrolling based on weekly, monthly, over the past year. So it's really cool to see. You can kind of track the price of Bitcoin right here in the app. You can also do stocks on here, but I only do Bitcoin. Now, you can sell your Bitcoin by hitting sell, but we don't sell, guys. We stack sats. Why are we going to sell right now? Hell no. And this little paper airplane icon right here, that's how you're going to withdraw your Bitcoin out of CashApp. So if you got like a hardware wallet, or if you want to withdraw it to a different app, I would do that. I would hit send Bitcoin. You could deposit more Bitcoin in the app if you want, like if you're going to sell it. But I would just send it. So you can say how much you want to send. So if you want to do that, you would hit send. You would put in your Bitcoin wallet address and go from there. But this is a video on how to buy Bitcoin, guys. Those are the 2 easiest methods to buy Bitcoin. I hope you guys liked it. So if you guys like CashApp and you want to sign up, please use my affiliate link in the description below. So it helps you out. It helps me out. We'll both be happy. It's a win-win, guys. So my name's Chuck again. Please smash that like button if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.